Good morning everyone. Welcome to the YouTube channel of Lal Bagh Central College, Lucknow. Children, I am Shalini ma'am. Last time in history we were discussing about the Stone Age, and I already told you that the Stone Age is being divided into three stages. The Paleolithic Age or the Old Age. Paleo means old, Lithic is age. The Middle Age or the Mesolithic Age, and the Neolithic Age or the New Age. And we were discussing about the Old Age, and we have discussed about the way of living, and we started with the tools and weapons. Let us see. Children, the main tools were hand axes. They were mainly used to cut the smashing, were mainly used to cut or give smashing blows. Initially they were used without a handle. Now these axes are what we call kulhadi. Okay. Then they have the wooden handle, which made it possible for man to use it with greater force. Hand axes were used with greater force. For that, handle was made. Choppers. These stones, heavy stones, were used to make choppers. They had a sharp edge. For what they were used? For cutting the trees and chopping the meat. Flake implements were comparatively smaller than hand axes and choppers, and they were used as knives and scrapers. Knives, as you already know, the chaku, and were given sharp and point tied to arrow and spears. These are some of the figures of hand axes, chopper, and flake implements were smaller. Now the discovery of fire. The life of early humans visualized a major change with discovery of fire. The life changed with the discovery of fire. The Stone Age man, he rubbed two stones together and that produced sparks. Soon they found that this lighted spark could burn dry leaves. Dry leaves were used, and they used to burn those dry leaves with the lighted sparks. In this way they came to know about the fire. They rubbed the two stones and they ignited, or they produced sparks, and fire was discovered as it is seen in this picture. Anywhere they needed, very soon they came to know about the usefulness of fire. They used fire to keep themselves warm during cold winter months. They also used to light fire outside their caves. For protection, to keep themselves warm, they used the fire. They hunted the animals and then they started roasting. And for this purpose, they used the fire. Now, what are the Paleolithic cultures? There are three phases. What are these phases? Early or lower Paleolithic age. This age includes the greater part of Ice Age, and its characteristic feature is the use of hand axe. What is the characteristic feature? Is the use of hand axe, clavers, and choppers. As I have already told you, these features were used, tools were used in the early or lower Paleolithic age. In the middle Paleolithic age, it is characterized by flakes. The principal tools was variety of blades. In this age, blades were used and points and scrapers were made of flakes. Upper Paleolithic age, this age marks the appearance of Homo sapiens, or you can call the early modern age. Modern people or the modern human being are Homo sapiens. Now, what are the features of the Stone Age? The tools, the Stone Age stone, bone, and wood were used by Paleolithic human beings. For the tools, as already told you, people believe that some hand axes could have served as killer frisbees meant to be thrown at a herd of animals at a water hole as to stun one of them. Yes, to hunt the animals, these tools were used. The sharp-ended sticks were often used for digging up edible roots. They also dig the floor or digging the edible roots which are eatable. Later, Middle-aged Paleolithic humans created sharp and pointed stone-tipped spears. Later on, some pointed spears were also made by the Middle-aged people. Now, dwelling. Early humans did not know how to make houses. They used to live on the branches of trees or in the caves. Yes, these people used to live in the caves, and they make themselves safe from cold, heat, rain, wind, and wild animals. Food. People who lived during the Stone Age would have been huge meat eaters. They were meat eaters. They hunted the animals, roasted it on the fire, and eat it. During the Ice Age, hunting and fishing would have been the main source of food. They also did fishing, and that was the main source of the food of the Stone Age people. Clothing. Initially, the early humans wore nothing. Later, they began to cover their body with the bark of trees and leaves. They used to protect themselves or cover themselves with the bark of leaves and the leaves of the trees. Initially, they don't wear anything. They had nothing to wear. As their hunting skills improved, they began to cover the body with animal skins. Yes, when these people started hunting, they used to protect themselves or cover themselves with the animal skins. Not what was the life. Early humans were nomads, as they used to move from one place to another in search of food. They started living in small groups because living or wandering in groups protect themselves from wild animals. They used to wander or move in groups, as it protects them from wild animals. This led to the origin of tribal way of life. This way of life was called as the tribal way of life. In many parts of the world, even today, tribes play a very important role in a person's life. Cave painting. A number of Stone Age rock shelters contain rock paintings. Yes, there were rock paintings in this Stone Age. Some various activities were there in which they used hunting, dancing, playing games or fair, etc. Animal burns and human beings being depicted on these paintings. All these paintings were made during this period, which was made on the stones. So children, I hope you have understood this much of the Stone Age people, and we will continue the next part in the next class. In the next video, we will proceed with the Mesolithic or the Neolithic age of the Stone Age period. Till then children, thanks for watching the video. Have a good day children. Goodbye.